Shmuck the Loyal.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing great. Today we're going to fix a little rattling on the GT-R brakes, and I'm going to show you how to do that real quick, because I think it's the 09 through, I want to say 15 doesn't come with this, and this is what you got to listen to while driving your car, your really expensive car. It has one on the bottom that it comes with from factory, but it doesn't have one on the top. So I'm going to fix that, and you can get them from Nissan. This is the part number, and they're about $75 each. Might as well say $100 each with it, with tax and everything. But mainly we're gonna get rid of that. So I'm gonna show you how to install it, and then that way you don't have to deal with it if it's on your GT-R. Let's do this. All right, the only tools you're gonna need is a hammer and a punch for this job. And we got this out a little bit better where you can see it, but all you gotta do is punch that back through there, and you don't have to hit it that hard, and try not to scuff the brake. So, and then it just pulls out. Set it down and get our $100 piece of metal. Really expensive. Should have come from the factory. And then, let's see, it goes with the arrow up, and it goes up under here. And then it'll snap in, and then you got to push it back and down a little bit. Yep, and it locks in like that. So then you're gonna start your pin, and then just pop it back, and you'll see that it slides through. And then you take your punch and the hammer on the other side, and just knock it through until it's flush, just like the bottom one. And that's done. No more squeaky squeak and rattle. Sounds like you got rocks in your tires. Alright, but that was just a quick tip how to get that fixed. And then the next episode will be Y pipes going on, hooking it up, and then the first start with the new down pipes and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment below if you need any help in the comment section. Peace.